Hello guys, good morning. Bagong ligo lang ako. Alam mo ba? Ito yung pinaka-worst na nangyari sa buhay ko eh. Naliligo ako, yung heater sa shower room patay. And then you know what? Yesterday, why I'm so mad? My clothes here, my blouse is disappear. If I'm going to work, there's something happen to my clothes. It's disappear. Mga gamit ko sa bahay, nakikita ko sa used boutique. Nandoon, binibenta nila. At alam mo kung ano yung napatunayan ko, nawala sa akin yung dress. Ito guys, ito. Naalala nyo to? Yan. Ayan. Binili ko yan sa second hand again. Pero itong dress na to, akin to guys. Akin to. Nakita nyo, suot ko to nung pumunta sa Kalibo. Kasama ko ang kapatid ko. Pero alam mo kung ano yung nakakainit. Tignan mo. 10 crowns, binibenta nila na mura ang damit ko, pero hindi nila inisip na yung mga damit ko, binili ko yun, hindi ko ninakaw. At alam mo yung kung ano yung nakakainis sa mga ginagawa nila? Paulit-ulit nila akong inaatake sa sarili kong kwarto. They always attack me here if I'm not home. They will remove my things, they stolen my things, and then send it to the used boutique to sell it again. And it's, you know what, it's so irritating, right? It's so irritating because, I live to this country, they play my life all the time. They play my life and it's so irritating. Look at this. This is my dress. And then this sell it. Yes, there's still a price. I bought 10 crowns yesterday. You know what? It's okay if they ask to have my things. But you know what? The problem is my things here inside the house is disappear. And every time that I go in second-hand boutique, it's there. And then you know what? I don't have more blouse. Why? Because they feel jealous if I have things. They feel irritating if I look okay. They feel irritating if my life is okay. If I fix my life, they have a problem. So I'm using Blogger. I'm upload video. They still mad. They still mad because I have internet here inside the house. And they remove it. And everything is bullshit, idiot done in my life that it's so irritating, guys. Honestly, it's so irritating. Imagine that, 'di ba? Yung mga blouse ko, alam mo 'yun? Alam mo kasi yung things ko dito, alam mo yung mga damit ko na matitino, yung mga blouse ko matitino, guys. Kinukuha nila. They stolen. And then my kitchen things also, it's there in Lupi Market. And what? I need to buy again because I need to spend more money. I don't have money. I'm not rich. Yes, I know. But they make me more poor. Welcome to this perfect country where I'm here. I'm here in Denmark. It's so irritating.